Two of the biggest names in AI just changed who gets to use their best models and what it costs you. This week, OpenAI previewed GPT-5-6. 3 models named Sol, Terra, and Luna. Not a typo. The number is the generation. The names are the tiers. But you probably can't touch it yet. The preview went to about 20 organizations after OpenAI handed the models to the US government first. And on the other side, today, July 7, 2026, is the day Anthropic's Claude Fable 5 stops being free inside your Claude Code plan. From here, it's pay per use. 2 announcements, 1 theme. Frontier access is getting gated and metered. Here's exactly what changed and what it means if you build. Start with OpenAI. On its preview page, OpenAI introduced the GPT-5-6 series and a new way of naming things. The number 5-6 is the generation. The names Sol, Terra, and Luna are durable capability tiers, and OpenAI says each tier can advance on its own cadence. Sol is the flagship, built for the hardest problems. Complex coding and security research. Terra is the balanced one, aimed at high-volume business work, like customer support, internal tools, and document analysis. Luna is the fast, cheap one for everyday tasks like summarizing, drafting, and routine automation. So instead of one model to rule them all, it's 3 lanes, each with a job. If you've been juggling a big model for hard problems and a small one for volume, this is that split, made official. Now the part builders actually budget around price. Per million tokens, OpenAI lists Sol at $5 in, 30 out. Terra at $2.50 in, 15 out. Luna at $1 in, 6 out. The interesting claim is Terra. OpenAI says it matches GPT-5's performance while costing about half as much. Luna, they say, brings strong capability at their lowest cost yet. Read that as a downward push on the price of good enough. The whole family, per OpenAI, moves the frontier on software engineering, computer use, knowledge work, scientific research, and cybersecurity. Fair caveat. Those are OpenAI's own benchmarks on its own launch page. Worth watching how Terra and Luna hold up once independent testers get their hands on them. Here's the twist. You can read all this, but most of you can't run it. OpenAI made GPT-5-6 available to a narrow set of about 20 organizations to start. Why? On June 2, 2026, a White House executive order directed federal agencies to benchmark and assess new AI models for safety before wide release. OpenAI shared GPT-5-6 and its release plans with the US government ahead of launch, and, at the government's request, started with this limited preview while that review runs. OpenAI says general availability is coming in the coming weeks. It's words, not a firm date. So for the first time, a frontier model's public rollout is visibly paced by a government safety review. That's the story under the story. Switch to Anthropic. Claude Fable 5 has been usable inside Claude Code plans, but that window closes today. The timeline. On June 15, Anthropic moved Claude Code's programmatic usage to a dedicated credit pool, billed at full API rates, instead of bundling it into your subscription. On June 23rd, it removed Fable 5 from plan limits. And through July 7, today, Fable 5 was still included for up to half your weekly usage on most paid plans. After today, using it means metered credits, drawn down at API price. $10 per million input tokens, 50 per million output. Same per token rate as the API, no consumer discount. And when your Claude Code credits run out, the agent stops until you buy more or your billing cycle resets. So what do you actually do with this? 1. The price of capable models is splitting into lanes. Match the model to the job. Don't pay Sol rates for Luna work. 2. In your plan is not permanent. Fable 5 was effectively free, then metered in weeks. Assume any bundled model can become pay-per-use, and track your token spend like a bill, because when the credits are gone, your agent is gone. 3. Access itself is now a variable. A frontier model can ship to 20 orgs and a government review before it ships to you. Build with the model you can actually get today, and keep a fallback. The takeaway isn't hype, and it isn't doom. It's that in 2026, the model, the price, and the access are 3 separate moving parts. Plan for all 3.